Hello, good morning. English version of my Bible verse reflection. So we'll be using the Bible because I feel like it's better if we use the Book of Salvation more than any Bible app. So let's begin. I'll be flicking the pages and I'll count 1 to 10, and wherever Bible verse we land in, that's the Bible verse that we will give reflection for. So, game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So it's the book of John. John 18, verse 14. Now it was Caiaphas who advised the Jews that it was expedient that one man should die for the people. So the key points for this Bible verse is unintentional prophecy. So Caiaphas is intending to sacrifice an innocent man to save his own establishment. Okay? However, God's sovereignty used his words to declare the ultimate gospel truth. Jesus would die for the sins of humanity. Next is substitutionary atonement. Okay? The phrase one man die for the people perfectly captures the theological foundation of Christianity. The idea that sinless Christ took the penalty of death in the place of many. Next key point is the irony of human power. The religious leaders sought to kill Jesus to maintain their status. Yet this very act set in motion God's overarching plan to redeem the world. So the life lessons that we can learn from this Bible verse is God works through all situations, and it means that life often brings unfair circumstances or decisions driven by selfish motives of others. This verse is a reminder that God remains in complete control and can orchestrate even the most malicious or misguided human intentions to accomplish a redemptive purpose. Next, salvation is personal. It means that the core theme of Jesus dying for the people invites personal reflection. His sacrifice was the ultimate demonstration of love, ensuring that whoever believes in him can receive forgiveness and eternal life. So that's the key points and life lessons that we can learn from this Bible verse. So once again, use social media in the right way. Know Jesus Christ even more, and let's all regather the lost souls and those people who are shying away from God. God bless.